me introduce myself. My name is Nova Fauzia. You can call me Nova. So I day in my life.
On Sunday, we went jogging to the sport hall. I went with my sister and my cousin. We went there using public transportation. The distance from the house to the sport hall was quite far. Along the way, I enjoyed the journey because there were still beautiful trees that were deliberately planted along the road. On the way, we changed cars to a car going to the sport hall. And finally, we arrived in the sport hall, and we started to walk around the sport hall. Because walking is a sport that is very easy to do. Exercise is an important investment for overall health. Not only does it make the body strong and agile, but it keeps the heart healthy, bones strength, and increases immunity. Sleep become better quality. Moreover, exercise is effective in relieving stress, anxiety, and improving mood. When we were walking, is someone selling rabbit. Where rabbits are small, furry mammals from leopard family. Their characteristics are long ears, strong hind legs for jumping, and tall. They are herbivores, eating plants. Rabbits are known for their rapid breeding ability. They live in various habitats from grassland to forest. And this is a chicken with a Taipei breed. And this is a cactus because it's a desert plant with thick resistant to store water leaves. They form a spin to reduce evaporation and protection, and excessive show out for rapid crop absorption. This is the great mouse of West Sumatra. The largest mouse in West Sumatra, located in Padang, moderate architecture, wooden and stone, is praised by the Wajar as wet cloth and Minangkabau culture. Able to commend it to 20,000 worshippers, function as counter for religious activities and disaster evacuation. For they are also sad and beautiful, that's because her festivals are always maintained. And finally, we went home after exercising, playing, and studying. And finish. See you next time. Bye.